Hello, everyone, and a very warm welcome to Smart English Hub. I'm your host, Mia.
And I'm Alex. We are so happy you are joining us today for another English lesson.
Today, we have a fantastic and very practical topic. We are going to talk about our daily routines.
That's right. Your daily routine is what you do every day, so talking about it is very common.
We will teach you simple words and verbs to describe your day from the moment you wake up.
To the moment you go to sleep. This is perfect for beginners.
So if you want to learn how to talk about your day in English, you are in the right place.
Let's get started.
But first, a quick reminder. If you enjoy our podcast and find it helpful, please take a moment to support us.
It's very easy. You can click the subscribe or follow button. This way, you will not miss our new lessons.
And leaving a like or a comment really helps our channel grow. We appreciate your support so much.
Thank you, everyone. Okay, let's dive into our topic. Mia, why don't you start? Can you tell us about your morning routine?
Of course, Alex. My morning starts pretty early. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day, Monday to Friday.
Oh, 7 a.m. Do you use an alarm clock to wake up?
Yes, I do. My phone plays a soft sound. I don't like loud alarms.
I see. So you wake up at 7. Do you jump out of bed right away?
No, not at all. I like a slow start. I stay in bed for about 5 or 10 minutes. I check my phone or just think about the day.
That's a nice, calm way to start.
It is. After that, I finally get out of bed. The first place I go is the bathroom.
Okay, the typical morning things.
Exactly. I brush my teeth first, then I wash my face with cool water. It really helps me feel awake and fresh.
I agree. Washing your face is a great way to start the day. So, after you're fresh and ready in the bathroom, what's next? Breakfast?
Yes, breakfast time. I love breakfast. I go to the kitchen to prepare it.
What is a typical breakfast for you, Mia?
I keep it simple. I always need my morning coffee. I can't start my day without it.
Ah, a coffee person. I understand completely.
I also have 2 slices of toast with a little butter. And for something healthy, I eat a piece of fruit, usually a banana.
Coffee, toast, and a banana. That sounds like a perfect balanced breakfast.
It is. What about you, Alex? What do you eat in the morning?
My breakfast is usually faster. I often have a bowl of cereal with cold milk, or sometimes just some yogurt with fruit.
That's also very healthy and quick.
So, after your delicious breakfast, what do you do?
After I finish eating and drinking my coffee, I get dressed for work. I choose my clothes for the day.
Right.
And once I'm dressed, I make sure I have everything I need. I grab my bag, my wallet, and my keys.
The daily check. Bag, wallet, keys.
Yes, and then I leave my house and go to work. I drive my car to the office.
Okay, that was a wonderful description of a morning routine.
Thank you. Before we continue, let's quickly review some of those important verbs we used. This is great for practice.
A great idea.
So we have wake up, get out of bed, brush my teeth.
Right?
Then wash my face, have breakfast, get dressed, and finally go to work.
These are essential verbs for talking about your morning. Try to remember them.
Okay, so let's talk about the workday. My work routine is quite standard. I work in an office.
I see. And what do you do there?
Well, I sit at my desk and I use my computer for most of the day.
Mm-hmm.
My main tasks are answering emails and talking to my team. I answer many emails every day.
I can imagine.
I also write reports and sometimes I have meetings. The day goes by very fast.
And do you get a break for lunch? It's important to take a break.
Oh, absolutely. I usually take my lunch break at 1 p.m. What do you eat for lunch, Alex? You mentioned your breakfast.
For lunch, I like to eat something light. I often bring food from home.
Oh, that's smart.
It helps me save money. I usually have a big salad with chicken or a sandwich.
That sounds healthy and delicious.
Yes, and I always drink a lot of water during the day.
That's a good habit. Okay, Alex, let's switch to you. What do you do when you finish work?
What is your after-work routine?
Well, when I finish work around 5 p.m., I go straight home. I am usually a bit tired.
I know that feeling very well.
The first thing I do when I get home is change my clothes. I take off my work clothes and put on something comfortable, like a t-shirt and sweatpants.
That's the best part of the day.
It really is. After that, I need some time to relax and unwind. I usually sit on the sofa.
Okay.
I might watch a show on TV or listen to a podcast. Just something to clear my head after a busy day.
That sounds like a perfect way to relax. What about dinner? Do you cook?
Yes, I do. I really enjoy cooking dinner. It's also a relaxing activity for me.
I agree.
I usually make something simple but warm. For example, I might cook some pasta with tomato sauce or maybe some rice with vegetables.
That sounds good. A nice home-cooked meal. So after dinner, the day is almost over. What's the last part of your routine before you go to sleep?
My night routine is all about preparing for a good night's sleep. It's very calm.
That sounds nice. What do you do?
Around 10 p.m., I get ready for bed. Of course, I brush my teeth. Again,
Very important.
it is. Then I make sure my alarm is set for the next morning. After that, I like to read a book in bed for a short time.
Reading is such a good habit.
It really helps me to feel sleepy. It's better than looking at my phone. Finally, around 11 p.m., I turn off the light and go to sleep.
And that's a full day, from waking up to going to sleep. We covered a lot.
We did. Let's do a very fast summary for our listeners.
Good idea. So the day starts in the morning. Wake up, get up, wash your face, brush your teeth, have breakfast.
Then you go to work or school. During the day, you work, study, and have lunch.
That's right. In the evening, after work, you come home, relax, and have dinner.
And finally, at night, you get ready for bed, brush your teeth again, and go to sleep.
It seems like a lot, but when you break it down, it's simple.
And now, a little piece of advice for everyone listening. The best way to learn these words is to use them.
Exactly. Practice makes perfect.
So try to describe your own daily routine. You can say it out loud. For example, I wake up at, and say your time.
Or you can write it down in a notebook, just a few simple sentences.
This will help you remember the vocabulary and feel more confident.
And please remember to be patient with your English learning journey. It is a marathon, not a sprint.
That is great advice, Mia.
Every little step is progress. Listening to this podcast today is a step forward, so good job.
Absolutely. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. We all make them. Just keep trying.
You are doing great.
And on that positive note, that's all we have for today's episode.
Thank you so much for tuning in to Smart English Hub. We really hope you found this lesson useful for your English practice.
We would love to hear from you. Please leave a comment and tell us one thing you do in your daily routine.
And if you have ideas for future topics, please share them with us. We are always looking for new ideas.
Until next time, take care, keep practicing, and have a wonderful week.
Goodbye for now.